Hello and welcome, thank you for joining me today. In this video, I want to show you guys this product. It's a 2-in-1 hedge and grass trimmer. All right, here we go. This is what the unit looks like. It has a 200-watt motor with a speed rating of 1100 RPM and it weighs under 2 pounds. To use this unit, you must have a Dewalt 20-volt battery. This attachment here is for cutting grass. Now this blade attachment here is for hedge trimming. It's a decent size for a handheld tool. Putting on the blade attachment is very easy. Simply pushing the both side buttons in and slide it into place. And to take off the blade, just push in the side buttons in and remove. Using this tool is very easy. Simply push the safety lock and then press the on button.